What is going on, people? Alright, so parents are pretty much the biggest liars in the whole world. If you don't go to college or university, you're gonna be a nobody. This was like the scariest one, because just imagine, Mom, Dad, I decided I ain't gonna go to college. I'm making YouTube videos instead. Where's the rest of my body? You're a nobody. If you didn't go to college, pinch yourself. Aren't you really you? Like, don't pinch me, man. Gracious peace. How'd you guys get hurt anyways? You're not even me. You're not even real. Oh, really? Okay, alright, man. Awo. You can be whatever you want. When I was in the 3rd grade, my mom was like, water is an element that can never be destroyed. So you know what I want it to be? Water, duh. No, why would I want to be water? I want it to be ice. Who said that? Really? Like, who said that?
Oh, no one. I'm just a voice, an imaginary voice signifying the thoughts of those watching this video.
Well, if you're imaginary, how could I hear you?
You can't. It's all in your head.
No, but
Leroy, who you talking to?
I'm talking to the voice. Like, say something. What? You're just gonna be silent all of a sudden? Oh, I see how it is. Trying to make me look like an idiot, like I'm crazy.
That boy really needs some help.
So I remember when I was like a little youth, my daddy was like, yo, if you don't tidy up your room, you're gonna get beat. And I love to get beat, so what I did, I kept my room dirtier than a pig's nose hole. And then daddy come home, look upon all of this. Your room still dirty? I said to clean up your room, little boy. Except I'm a male and I'm not white. And just use your imagination, guys. My props are limited. Don't judge me. Yeah, he kept saying, oh, your room is still dirty. You look like you want to get beat. And I said, yes, daddy. Why? Wrong answer. He wasn't talking about the food. During Christmas time, the parents are always like, oh, look what Santa Claus got you. That used to creep me out so much. Because how is this big old fat man supposed to fit down a chimney? And we didn't even have a chimney inside our house. So how did he get in? Where I come from, that's called break and entering. And it was shocking because I didn't know white people did that stuff. I was young once. Ho, ho, ho. You better not be talking about me. Sure. On top of that now, Santa Claus had the nerve to teeth the cookies, those nice Oreo cookies that I had to work so hard to provide my family with. Like, like seriously, man, trying to convince your mom to buy the expensive cookies, it takes a lot of work, I don't want no-name budget brand cookies. Like the cookie box just had cookies written on it. Jolly old Saint Nick. More like thief. Parents try to put you on that guilt trip.
I'm going. I'm leaving without you.
Good, go. I'm out the door. You're gonna miss all the fun. I'm going in the car. I'm going. When they're heading off to some boring place like grandma's house.
What you talking about?
No, not you, my real grandma. Man, you love play too much. You think me a joke with you? Come here, get in the car, man. Yo. I said, get in the car.